Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I am going to show you an easy and quick way that I make my cream cheese and fruit danishes. So if you want to know how I make them, which are perfect for mornings, snacks, dessert, just keep watching. Everything that you need to make these danishes will be on my website. Check the description box below to grab the link. So first things first, preheat your oven to 375. And I like to throw on a little bit of cartoons in the morning. They just help me relax and bake. Here I am taking a block of softened cream cheese and I am going to add some powdered sugar to it, mix it up to get the sugar and cream cheese combined. And then I'm going to add 1 egg yolk. I separated the egg yolk from the egg white. With the egg white, you're going to brush your crescent rolls to give it a nice brown crust when it bakes. But for right now, I'm taking that block of cream cheese and some powdered sugar, and then I'm going to add egg yolk, some vanilla, and a little bit of lemon. I'm going to set that to the side, and then we're going to get started on our crescent rolls. Now, normally I just grab the traditional crescent rolls, but for some reason I grabbed the crescent rolls that were already in the shape of rounds, which is actually more perfect because you just have to cut them and then mold them. So I open up the crescent rolls and I cut them with my dough cutter already at the perforated lines. And then I'm going to take a glass and I'm going to just flatten out those rolls in a circular disc shape. And then what we're going to do is pipe on the cream cheese and add our raspberry filling. Now with this, you can use any fruit filling. I had a raspberry filling already at the house, so I decided to use that. But you can use any fruit filling, any preserve that you like, apple, cherry, strawberry, whatever is your preference. But the main thing is you want to pipe your cream cheese on the crescent rounds first, then add about a teaspoon of your fruit filling and then bake it. As you can see here, I'm using that leftover egg white that I had separated from the yolk just to brush on top of the rounds before I add the cream cheese. Then you'll see me pipe on the cream cheese and then add that fruit filling, and then I'm going to pop them in the oven. While my crescent rolls are baking, I'm going to make the icing. I'm going to add some powdered sugar, a little bit of milk, and a little bit of that lemon juice again, and I'm going to mix. And then once the crescent rolls are out and cooled a bit, I'm going to drizzle on top the icing that I made, and they're going to be good to go. Guys, look how good these look already. I haven't even drizzled the icing on yet, but I love to make these, especially for the week meal prep. You know, I like to have breakfast already ready to go on the weekend so that the kids have it easier to have their breakfast already planned out and ready to go for the week. So these are perfect for meal prepping ideas, and they don't take long to make at all. All right, guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you made it this far, please drop your girl a like. I would really, really appreciate it. But until next time, guys, you guys be blessed, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.